Hello children, let's start to read the lesson 3. Okay, take your book, take lesson 3, open your book on page number 22. Okay, let's start to read the lesson. What is the lesson name? From tasting to digesting. Where the lesson is started? Tasting. Okay, from tasting to digesting. Different tasters. Jumba ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying, "Ma, I am not going to eat this bitter Karela." Karela is in the Hindi word. So Karela means what? Bitter gourd. Give me gar and roti. Gar means jaggery. Jaggery means vellam. Okay, gar is in the Hindi word, so the English meaning is jaggery. And roti, you know. Ma smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." Julan teased Jumba. Julan and Jumba, both of them siblings. Okay, don't you get bored of only one kind of taste? Jumba replied quickly. Do you get bored with licking imli? Imli means tamarind, puli. Okay, I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing the word imli. Do you like imli to eat? Whenever I felt, if I being a childhood, my days, I have been eating imli. I felt mouth watering on mouth. Okay, so like that they are asking question here. Sure, I love the sour taste of imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too. I even ate Karela, said Julan, and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartily. Do you like? What is the taste generally do you like? I like mostly sweet and little bit spicy. But you? If you what is the taste you like more, you just comment it. Okay, then see the second para. Julan said to Jumba, let's play a game. You close your eyes and open your mouth. I will put something to eat in your mouth. You have to tell what it is. Julan took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in Jumba's mouth. See, they are playing here. Sour lemon, Jumba replied quickly. C is Jumba, C is Julan. See the next. Julan then picked up a small piece of jaggery. Jaggery means what? Vellam. Her mother suggested, crush it, otherwise she will know what it is. Julan crushed the jaggery, but Jumba easily guessed it. They played the game with different food items. Jumba could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. Julan said, now close your nose and tell me what this is. Jumba was confused. It is a bit bitter, a little salty and somewhat sour. Give me one more spoonful. Julan took another spoonful of the cooked Karela, uncovered Jumba's eyes and said, here it is, eat. Jumba laughed. Yes, give me more. Let's write the answer for this. Julan's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. Is it? When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. What is the 5 things you just write down here and mention the taste. What is the taste of the food? Sour, bitter, spicy and sweet. Do you like only one kind of taste of different ones? Why? Do you like only one taste? If you like sweet taste only means you just write sweet. If you like spicy, just write spicy, about the spicy. No, if you like all those tasters, then you comment here. What is the reason of that? That's also. Julan put a few drops of lemon juice in Jumba's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes, we can make like that same thing. If someone were to put a few seeds of saunf means fenugreek seeds. Sorry, fenugreek no, anise seeds, the fennel seeds, fennel, sombu. Okay, fenugreek means vendayam, fennel seeds means sombu. On your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed how? That is little bit sweet and at the same time little spicy also. See here. How did Jumba make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of the certain things? Only by the smell. Raw fish we can't eat, but fried fish we will eat nicely without seeing or tasting them. What are these things? We know what is a fried fish, how they are making that. Because of the spices item, they make some aroma to our nose. Then only we will know what is the cooking is this. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do this? So, they like that same question, or else taking a medicines, anything like that, anybody says to you, just write and comment here. Close your eyes and tell. Collect a few food items having different kinds of taste. Play a game with your friends like Jumba and Julan did. Tell your friend to taste the food and ask. Just you have to comment here. This is I have explained here, no? See here. Do you know one thing? Here only we will know about the sweet taste, but tip of the tongue we will see the salty taste only. Okay. What is the taste of tip of our tongue? Salty. How did it taste? What was the item for 4 items that you just write here? And which part of the tongue could you get most taste? In front, at the back, on the left or right side of the tongue? Where we will feel most taste? Salty only, most taste. Is it? Which taste could be made out on which part of the tongue? Mark these part on the picture given. We have to mark the pictures like this, parts. Okay. Then next one at a time. Put some things to eat in other parts of your mouth, under the tongue, on the lips, on the roof of your mouth. Did you get any taste there? If we didn't above the tongue, we will feel taste. By under the tongue, how do you feel the taste? We can't that. And the lips, if you feel just sweetness only, not for other tastes. Okay, play well like this. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it's dry. Put some sugar and jaggery here there. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? Stand in front of the mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does the surface look? Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? What they are telling here, just you have to wipe the mouth fully. Okay, in front we have some white color, some dryness of our tongue, that everything you just clean it. Okay, after that just apply the jaggery and sugar both on your tongue. How do you feel? You feel some sweetness, at the same time some bitter. Okay, that's the thing they have explained here. Do it and tell to me. Okay, next one, they have given some tastes for you, how they are eating that, Jumba and Julan. Okay, what is the thing they are making? Next they are going to see tomato, onion, saunf and garlic. Okay, then ask to your friends also amla and cucumber taste also, which is to be difficult taste for them. Amla taste is too sour and then bitter also, but cucumber it's to be normal, there is no taste, not for like the taste. Okay, when Jumba tasted some of the things, she said is. What do you think she may have eaten? Because of she has eaten garlic, the spiciest thing, saunf also spiciest, tomato only sour taste, then onion also spices. Why don't you make sounds that some describing some tastes We feel some is like that sound while eating the more spices item. Okay, from your expression and sounds, ask your friends to guess what you might have eaten. You just ask them what is the thing they have eaten. Each of you take a piece of bread and or roti, some cooked rice. Okay, this is the class activity for us. Put it in your mouth. Chew 3 or 4 times and swallow it. Did the taste change as you chewed it? Now take another piece or some rice and chew it 30 or to 32 times. Just to chew the food well. Was there any changes in the taste after chewing so many times? Same thing. For example, do you like chewing gum? You are eating chewing gum now. Okay, first you like the taste. Just chew the chewing gum more than half an hour or else 15 minutes ago. Then after what have you realized? Have you felt any first same taste now? No, not at all. We feel some other tastes only. Is it? They have explained that those things only. Has anyone at home told you to eat slow and to chew well so that the food digestive properly? Did you hear the proverb anywhere? Norunga tindral nooru vayadu. Always mom tell to us just chew the food well. Chew and don't swallow the food. Chew and into your mouth. Then after you just eat like that. Your friends have you told? Yeah, my mom also told like that. Have you heard anything? Yes. Why they are telling like that? While chewing the food has to be softened. The food has to be softened. Then after it's to be digested the system very easily. So that only they have told chew the food well. Then only you will be healthy. Okay. Imagine you are eating something hard. Something hard like a green guava. Okay. Guava sometimes it's to be hard only. What kind of changes taste plays in it? While eating a guava, sometimes we will feel some bitter taste also. Within the green smell, within the green skin only we feel bitter taste. Then inside of the fruit, we feel good taste only. That means sweet. From the time you bite a piece and put it in your mouth to when you swallow it. Yes. After that we spit the skin also because it is giving bitter taste. Think what does the saliva in our mouth do? Saliva means etchil. Okay. While chewing the food, making to soft, no. By the time the saliva helps the food to soft. Then after it's giving lot of process to that. Then it's feeling the tastes also. We are feeling some different tastes also. No, how it is happening? Because of the saliva only we have realized all those things. So what is the function of saliva? Saliva helps the food to make to soften. At the same time, the saliva make the taste is different also. Okay, students, thank you. Is there any doubt? You just asked me. Up to this, what is the description? Those things, just tasting only. These parts are tasting from tasting. Okay, till next class we will see the digestive system. Okay, if we read it together both chapters, it will make to us to be confused. Okay, friends, thank you.